Shenzhen Data Power Limited was established in 2011 with determination to manufacture lithium-ion polymer batteries for customers around the world. We have gained 7 years' experiences on battery area. This had led to the continued development of qualified batteries for our customers, as well as handling the transportation so batteries can reach to their destination on time. Lithium polymer battery, also known as polymer lithium battery, a kind of chemical rechargeable battery with powerful energy, lightweight, characteristics of various voltage platform, long time storage energy density, long cycles life, powerful endurance, low self-discharge rate, no memory effect, various temperature adaptability, and environmental protection. In shape, lithium polymer battery has ultra-thin characteristics, can meet the needs of some products, can be made into different shapes and capacity. The minimum thickness of the battery can reach 0.5 mm. We offer standard and customized battery solutions for widely ranged customers, meeting different customers' needs in different fields of electronic devices. Besides the lithium-ion batteries, we create solutions to effectively power devices that includes media players, Bluetooth headsets, robotics, unmanned aerial vehicles, smartphones, portable tools, machine tools, electronic toys. Our products meet various international certification standards, not only for transportation but also for safety. The trademark of our company already had. In conclusion, if you have any interest in data power, welcome to email and visit our company for further cooperation. We will make every effort to be a satisfied partner.